Located under the 12th century town hall building in the main town hall square is the Third Dragon. It is a medieval themed tavern. It has unique interior design hosted by tavern ladies with rude manners, but don't take it seriously because that's how it was back in time. Hi guys, this is Tess and Ashley, and today we're going to show you the most strange restaurant we've ever been to in the world. Definitely a must-see place when you are visiting Estonia. I just heard one of the customers ask for potatoes and he received a rude response. So I might as well not ask for any options. I'll just order whatever the person next to me ordered. This place is very busy because of the uniqueness of this restaurant.
Да, есть пиво, сидр, вино, коктейль, настойчики, вкусничный морс, сок, яблоки. Так, и потом все, что не сели, по правой рукой в корзинку. Write it here. Later, if you don't remember this, I may tell you. Thank you.
You're welcome, thank you.
You are welcome too. Ja nii nad päevad 11, kui nad pole surnud. Siiamaani.
So, do we sit in there or?
Absolutely.
Okay.
You may sit wherever you want.
Okay.
Make new friends.
Dill pickles are free, so we're gonna go fishing for dill pickles. Here, right here.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Oh, it's pickle.
Oh, that's the word of pickle.
But you dropped the stick. How do we get the pickle now?
Is that the stick that dropped?
I don't know.
Thank you to the gentleman that gave us pickles because that pickle stick was never found by me. Time to enjoy our food and not to think about that missing pickle stick. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
So you're supposed to eat it with pickle. Did you try to eat it with pickle?
Yeah.
Does it taste better?
Not really.
So we're supposed to eat it with pickle. So we got some pickle here. You take a bite? Do you like it? It was so much fun to experience something different. Bye for now, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos of our adventures.